Hey guys, I'm Aryan from Mr. Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a intro for your YouTube channel in your mobile for free. I used intros to my video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple intro to your YouTube channel from your mobile for free. Okay guys, let's get into the video.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh, I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling a flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
That's about this video. Hope this video will informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off from Mr. Tech.